How to create this viral Reels for Instagram. Using your phone, let's go. But wait, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such editing tutorials. This really keeps me motivated for making new videos. If you do not have Capcut app installed on your phone, do check out my Telegram channel for the video links on how to install Capcut in both iPhone or Android. Now let's begin. Select the wide-angle mode on your phone and switch to 60 frames. First film the wall, and then film yourself jumping up. Then film the wall again. Open these 3 clips in the Capcut app and scroll to right. When you are at the highest point in the air, hit split and delete the back part. Again, scroll to right when you are just leaving the ground and hit split. Select speed, normal, and pull it all the way down. And select smooth, slow motion. And it looks like this. Go to the description box below and download the bird green screen videos and add it to the Capcut app. For this bird's clips, hit overlay, so they come down to the below layers. Drag them all the way to beginning and trim to the end of clip of the first wall clip. Hit remove background, chroma key, and select the green area. This will cut out the birds separately. To get more birds, hit duplicate and drag all the layers under each other. Do this until you have enough birds. Make sure to place the birds over your silhouette and hit keyframe. Scroll back in the clip and place the bird outside of the clip so that they fly in when you play the video. Do the same with every bird clip. Just choose different directions all the time, so that once you're done with them, they all then fly from all over the place and make your silhouette, to make yourself disappear with the birds at the end of the clip. You want to copy the bird clip and pull it to the beginning of the last wall video. Then reverse it. Do that with every bird clip, and export this video. Again, import the same video. Select motion blur and pull it all the way to 100. Export this video, and that's it. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out any new video. See you guys in the next one.